Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at the over. It's over. It's over. Nvidia is over. Kaboom. We are continuing to break some critical levels. If you have seen my overnight session video, I talked about this very scenario on Nvidia. But guys, before going further, please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos helpful and valuable. They help. Your likes and subscribes help out a lot to this channel, guys. Please do so. All right. Also, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. Just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. All right. So Nvidia here has lost a critical structure again at 184, and as I have been saying that Nvidia is really not giving us any momentum so far. Okay, like a longevity momentum. Whenever it's popping up here, it's selling off. It's selling off, right? So sellers are in super control here. Nvidia has found its top, no matter how good AI does from here. Seems like Nvidia has found its ceiling. And in the near term price action, that ceiling is very active. There is no upside play. If Nvidia can somehow from here get above 184, things might change again in the perspective for a structure to the upside. Otherwise, no. We are most likely heading towards 169, all right, on Nvidia, at least this week. And then we'll see what happens. We may see some bounce there, but and in this case trailing stop loss on the short side can be above 108 and 84, and but we are looking like definitely going to 169, and we'll see what happens there. If we see a bounce, that will not turn it bullish overall. I'll show you something on the weekly interval as well, and let's see if eventually in coming months, yeah, it will take months to get to $150 if we get there. But there is that level above before we do that. Now I want to actually get to the weekly interval first, which is the level like 169. So weekly interval is, we just, and this is something I have been saying, that once we start to lose 184, this will start to confirm on the weekly as a lower high, and we have a failure of a structural upside possibly, right? So that's why 184 is an important zone. Staying below that is just, yeah, it's over. It's over. It's over. Pack your bags, go home, okay? No more investing in Nvidia, okay? Save your money. And yeah, so, and then let's see 169. We may see a bounce there a little bit, but let's see if it holds there. But technically I would love to see things to find their, like, we have had great runs. I would love these stocks to fall, okay? Now, I'm not being here a devil on these stocks. Like, I would love to get them at cheaper prices. I would love these stocks to get out of these distribution phases and fall so that they become a buy again, okay? Like at these tops, like if market just keeps going up, that's a Ponzi scheme, my friends, okay? We need a market to balance out. We need the market extends on both sides, up and down. We need extra sell off so that market becomes cheaper than even it's what it should be valued, right? So yeah, I would love to see it at cheaper prices, but yeah, Nvidia is weak. I do consider that it's whatever runs it has had, I think it's just the ceiling here. Like if you see like July of last year, technically, like anyone who says in the media that, oh, everything is great, market is going super up, I think they're just lying to you, and or they just don't know how the market works, okay? Like we have been in this distribution phase, the sell off, for more than what now, almost 6 months, more than that, getting close to 8 months, and everyone is still saying every market is still great. No, it's not great. We're selling off, right? Like these, yeah. Anyways, guys, that's all I had for you in this video. Please hit the like, subscribe. It helps out a lot. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.